Hi guys, so today we're going to be changing these side mirrors on the indicator to sequential indicators and to chrome side mirror caps. We're also going to be installing some puddle lights, and these are going to be white, not this old dull colour. So let's get straight to it. So this is going to be changed from this to right. So we're going to be pulling this mirror outward so we get more leeway to play with. But if these are folding mirrors, I wouldn't suggest you do this. Just try doing it over here. But yeah, so we're just going to be going like that. And then yeah, so now we're going to be taking the mirror off. So let's get a close-up of that. So we've got this, I don't know if you can see it, it's a pry tool. So we're going to be using this to pull out the side mirror without cracking it. Now we do have a replacement one, so I don't care about this side, but the other side we need to be very careful about. So yeah, this is going to be one of them ones. If your side mirror cracks, just get a new one just in case. That's how you'll have these two wires here. Just pull these one off one by one. Come off nice and easy. Don't mix them up. It'd be good to take pictures of it. As you can see, this is on a Passat, so we have a blue and black wire that goes on the inner, and you have a brown wire or black wire that goes on the outer. So yeah, just pull these off. Hello. So we're going to be now taking off these two screws here and over here. So there's one here. If you get sequential indicators, they should come with this little torque setting. If you don't have the torque setting, I'll be linking it in the description what size they are, or I might just link it in the video. And that's it. I think that should be all the screws here. There might be one more. Nope, there isn't. So now this should just come off, hopefully. There's nothing else holding it in. Unless this clip, yep, there's clips. So there'll be two clips also holding this in, and then this outer case should just come off. You got yourself a flathead. What you want to do is there's little tabs here. You just want to push in, and one side should just pop out eventually. That's it. I think this side's popped off. We're gonna do the same with the top one. That's it. That's two pop off, and yeah, that should just come out just like that. So you have these clips. You just want to push them in with the screwdriver in between it from there. From there. Oh. Right, so now we're here. All we need to do with this side mirror cover is hopefully just pull it back, and it should just come off, just like that. Now, obviously, I opened this before, that's why it came off so nice and easily. But you have these two clips here. There's a one clip there, one clip there. That one's broken, but yeah, it'll just pop off, and you make a little tuck, and then that's how you know it's opened up. But realistically, that cover in the front will hold this thing together, so you don't need to really mind if one clip breaks. But yeah, that's off.
Very technical saying the word tuck.
So we got one clip here, well not a clip, sorry, one plug over here that we need to unplug, and then you got a clip there, and this whole bottom center should just pop off. So let's just start taking this off right now. Now obviously this has never been opened, so we don't know if this can open in one piece. Hopefully, yep, that's it. Just be very careful, these are very brittle, they will break. And now we just want to get to that one. So as again, you're just going to need a screwdriver. Get a screwdriver here, pop it off just like that, or just try to get in between it. It's going to be very technical like this. How did they design it? There we go. Oopsie daisy. That's it. Oh, there's another plug right there you want to be careful for as well. So if you see it there, I think you pop this up. Let's get a screwdriver, pop that from it out. Yep, there's just a bulb that holds this in, and that's all that does. So yep, just one little bulb, and that's it. This bottom part is off. We've got a bird crap there, and I'll be touching that. Wear some gloves. Right, so we've got the original, well not even original, it's aftermarket sequential indicators, and we've got an aftermarket puddle light that goes on the side mirror. Now with these sequential indicators, they come with this little cover. All you have to do with that is pop it off just like that. Once that's off, I'm going to put that to one side, pull off any of that. It doesn't really matter because it'll just stick on anyways, but if you like me, I'm a bit nitty picker. clean it up, and that's it. Now what you do here is when you get the right side or the left side, because we're doing the left mirror, it says there left, and you have this little hook that goes here, goes in there just like that, and there's the wrong side. The right one now for this side. How it works is got this little dent, well not dent, but this little bracket, whatever you call it, and that basically tucks underneath here and then sits just like that. But as you can see, it's not intact, so we need some 3M tape or some double-sided tape. Stick it around there, stick it on there, and then there, that's it. Okay, alright, let's get that done. Right, so you put some double-sided tape on it or 3M tape, whichever one you prefer, just to hold it down onto this plastic, and yeah, just put it in, line it up, and you solder it in, and that's not moving anywhere, so that's perfect. And yeah, all done. So now we just need to, well, not all done, we just got to put it back in together, but yeah, this part of it is all done. So now all we have to do is reverse order, and we'll go through it step by step with you, and that's it. So yeah, let's do it. So first things first, we need to get someone to hold that, pull out this little plug here, fling it in the bin or fling it on the floor.
Hey, that's a perfectly good light, that is.
Okay. Then you don't have to put it in just yet, you can put it in afterwards. I'm going to be putting it in afterwards. What you want to do is just go underneath it ever so slightly, make sure wires don't come in the way, and this bit of the section of the mirror here, you want it to, don't try not to put too much pressure on it, it's going to be a bit of a fiddly one. Just like that. That clips on just like that. So yeah, so that's done. We're gonna plug this in. So we've clipped that in, that's not coming out, that's done. Now we wanna basically plug this in now. So when you do plug this in, just make sure that you turn it on before you actually do plug it in. So let's just check this now. Apologies for...
What you mean, you test it?
Yeah, you test it, sorry. Yeah, we're gonna be testing it now. Plug it in, make sure it all works. Please fix that. That's it, so that's all plugged in. We're just gonna double check it. So cameraman, give me that camera, and we'll just turn it on and check. So you're gonna check the sequential indicators, I'm gonna check the puddle lights. So let's get to it. That's the light you can see at the door. So that is spot on, that's bright as hell. And then the indicator, spot on, that's perfect. So yeah, now all that's left is putting the top chrome cap on and pushing this inside into that little gap we got for this little rubber on it, and then that's it, yeah. So you can see back there, I don't know if you can see the little lug that let me just get a little bit closer. So you can see that there's a little lug there, so that has to go in between that little gap that goes onto the aftermarket. This is sequential indicators that cover, and yeah, that's how you know that it's going to be proper secure. So you got to clip there, and then you have that little lug that goes inside that little slot for it, and yeah, that's how you know it's all assembled. So yeah.
More rubbish for the cameraman.
This is going to be pretty easy to whack in. So you have some clips there, blah 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 blah. Just plug it in, and that's it. So let's do that. Right. I was just thinking like, what's going on? You might want to peel off this first. So peel that off.
More rubbish.
More rubbish. Just having a look at it now, just looking like what's going on. I'm not tired today.
I like recording the back of his head.
Yeah, he loves it. He loves it. Right, now we want to put in the front assembly back. So this is the front assembly whacking back on, and then yeah, perfect, well done. So you want to just bear in mind for this little thingy here, and just try to align it as best as you possibly can. And So yeah, so now it's all done. Did you get most of that swearing?
No comment.
No
you,
comment.
you screws, mate.
Yeah, no, so now we're going to be whacking in the screws. So 1, 2, and then that's it. So let me get that Allen key wherever I put it.
It's in my pocket.
So now, once these screws are in, just tighten them up. That's it, so that's all done. So just have a nice look outside of it. Make sure the lining gaps, everything's all perfect. You don't want there to be a gap. If there's a gap, you know you've done something wrong. There might be a clip that's overlapped. But yeah, everything we done here was pretty much spot on. Yep, pretty much spot on. But yeah, that's it.
All it is putting the glass back in now, and then it's good to go, this mirror.
Let's get there. The glass in the middle. Right, so we've got the new mirror. Now, the closest one, which was that one, that will go towards this one, this purple and black one. But first we can put the black one in first, not the black one, black and brown one first. That will go here. Yeah, that will go in there. It's a bit loose. Just like that. And then basically you want to put this inside, just give it a bit of a fighting chance. Just like that. And this side is all done. There's